This video will guide you how to replace vbelt in Viano, Vito and V200 different name. So here you can see very less space, here air filter and this throttle and the radiator fan. So I am going to remove underbody protection. This have big protection. Here is screw 1 to this T20 screw. One is here. So these are the screw. After that you can remove this protection. After removing the protection, you can see here now this transmission and engine. Here we have less space, but we can do easily. This is the 17 mm socket box. So you can see here how is the type. And now here is the belt tensioner. Just use the some pin to lock and hold this belt tensioner. Then you can remove easy vbelt. So these are the compressor, water pump and alternator, and the one is the idler pulley. So this one from compressor, AC compressor, we are removing the vbelt. Check according to this number, it's a 6K and part number, then you can fix the new vbelt.